Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can paper trade on Webull. So first, you will go to the menu tab and you will find paper trade in shortcut. So it should look like this. So what you will have to do is basically just click that. Then next, you will tap on the trade to start looking for the ticker that you are interested in, which is right here. So after that, um, you will just have to enter the details page and tap on paper trade at the bottom, and then what you will do is basically you will fill in the items for a virtual order and submit them, and then you will go back to your paper trading's main screen, and you will just have to manage the positions and open orders. And yeah, that's basically just it, and you could also track your performance and adjust strategies as needed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.